Hey everybody, this is Larry again. I'm here again with Rusty Millwill. That's Russell Milhine. He, as I said, is the sign dude. 606-306-7394. And he's not the rat fink, but this is his most awesome work. This is aluminum, right?
It's all aluminum.
All aluminum, hand painted. Listen, that cut at the bottom by the jigsaw. Okay, look at the detail of his work. Okay, look at the detail. Russell, could you ship something in a wooden crate to a out-of-state customer?
I imagine I could.
There you go, people. You heard it right from the sign guy. Aluminum. How thick is that aluminum sheet?
1/8 of an inch.
1/8 of an inch.
So
And it lasts for what?
Very strong.
Forever.
Aluminum permanent.
It lasts forever. Look at the detail. Hand painted.
It's all hand painted. Yeah.
Look at the window. Okay. Wait a minute. We have what you call that? Zoom. We're gonna zoom
See
in.
the brick here?
All right. So
Each them bricks were hand painted.
my zoom is not working. There we go. Look at the detail on the little windows and the door. Southern flooring. The bicycle out front. The front doors. Detail. I can't get that detail real good on the front doors. There's another close up. Southern Boutique in the window. And the other front door, it's legible. You can read this front door sign. Okay, that's enough. It's cold out here in Kentucky, and we do have a Kentucky full moon. This is a blue moon of Kentucky.
Keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone and let me through.
Yeah, now see, it's too bad you don't have a guitar. All right, good night, everybody. Don't forget, if you comment, if you want a sign.